Hello fellow YouTubers, in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and overview of this EVGA GeForce GTX 760 Superclocked Edition, ACX cooling from EVGA and 2GB GDDR5 edition. Now this video card has been there for a while, however I wasn't able to get one. Well, I got the Gigabyte one, which you can see on my channel, unboxing of that. But anyway, this is an EVGA unboxing and overview. There won't be any benchmarks on this video. However, I will do a separate video of installation of the graphics card into the computer, so you can see how to do that if you haven't seen on my channel yet. And obviously, I will do some benchmarks as well. So let's get started. So first I'm going to remove the wrapping so there would be no reflection or glare on the camera. Then I'm going to remove the plastic seal from both sides, and finally we can start looking at the card. So this is the graphics card box, I should say. As you see, we have a display port, HDMI, DVI and DVI-D. We'll go through that once I open the box and see about the card. Basically some features there, so NVIDIA DXAA, GPU boost, 2.0, PhysX, FXA, adaptive vertical sync, surround and all that sort of stuff. So all the goodies that you would expect from the high-end product. Box looks like so, very simplistic, but it does look a quality box. It's not a cheapo box like, what was it, a PNY or something like that. Through the window we can already see the graphics card. Also, it does support shadow play, which is a very neat feature, and I might do a video about that as well in the future. And yeah, very neat and very nice to have, so thank you EVGA. Hopefully we won't need to use that, but it's nice to have nonetheless. So inside we have, I presume, the EVGA poster. You guys probably won't see much. It says game of PWNS. Next we have a driver's disc. These are the stickers for your PC if you fancy them. This would be a bit nicer addition to the card, which I would expect, and it says powered by EVGA. So there you go, that's the badge. Looks like a metal, and you can stick it onto your case. So that aside, here we have DVI to VGA adapter. These are the cables. So here we have two Molex, you probably won't see it properly, but anyway, two Molex to 6-pin, and we have two 6-pin to one 8-pin. Finally, last but not least, we have a graphics card. Okay, so there goes the box cover. Now, ideally do ground yourself before handling graphics cards and any computer equipment, especially if it does come with some sort of memory chips. Okay, and finally I removed it. So EVGA, if you're watching this video, one thing to take out from it, although it's really nice and protective packaging, it's really not the most comfortable to take the graphics card out. So yeah, why don't we zoom in and then start the overviewing the graphics card. And I'm back. So this is the graphics card in flesh. Now I'm going to just remove nicely the cover. Once again, you can see it is a quality product. These guys are trying to protect all the outside casing or the cooler of the card. Okay, look, I think that was the last of the plastic wrapping. I just removed everything from all the covering bits. So that's the graphics card in flesh, and it does look much better than on the EVGA website, or any website for that matter. It's a really beautiful graphics card, I must say, and I was looking forward to viewing it. So anyway, to start with, we have two fans. We have a huge heatsink underneath that you can see goes throughout the length of the card, covering the memory modules and the GPU unit itself. Now the only thing is, power connections are here. Now for some of you it might be great. For my case, I would prefer them to be somewhere here on the outside. However, this is the design they decided to go with, and I don't mind it too much. Here is the SLI fingers. I think this thing supports up to 4-way SLI. Once again, For the best experience, do go with a single GPU, but once again, you don't have to, it's up to yourselves. So this is the top, this is the back plate. Well, there's no back plate, but this is the back of the graphics card, looks like so. Black custom made PCB, biggish enough. Now give me 1 second, actually I'm going to bring the rule, I'm going to show you the actual dimensions of the card for those of you who are interested. Okay, so the length of the graphics card from the case, outside of the case to the furthest point is about 24.5 centimeters or 9.5 inches. And the height, if you need it, is about 10.5 centimeters or 4 and a bit inches. And the thickness of the card, which is not really relevant to most of you, but just in case, it's about 3.5 centimeters or about 1.5 inches roughly. So this is the size of the card. It's not a huge card. Gigabyte would be a little bit bigger one. You can see the unboxing on my channel. I do like this design more than the Gigabytes. I must say it looks much more solid, much more classy maybe. I don't know if that's the right word. But yeah guys, this is pretty much it. We have DVI, DVI-D, we have HDMI and DisplayPort. And we have the output slots there for the fan to blow the air out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So wait for my next video there, which is going to show up shortly, where I'm going to be installing this beast in my computer. And also I'm going to do some benchmarks for you who are interested. So thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Click the like button and subscribe. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section down below. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.